The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
I'm sorry. She confessed she in there bag work and Sandy know she was there with one boy up there. She confessed to me, she said she in there bag work with one man. So, make a man go there with her and her fucking dead.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the DanceSkilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, this is another sad news again. Now, there's reports out there about a member of the Jamaica Defense Force, which is the JDF, right? It is said that the member of the Jamaica Defense Force was involved in a murder-suicide that had happened in Portmore, that is of the parish of St. Catherine, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now, this said to have happened on Sunday, the 12th of January 2020, sometime in the AM, that is before daylight, all right? Now, according to reports, and I'm going to tell you based on two different reports out there, because one of the reports says that the man had chopped and killed his common law wife before turning a gun on himself, all right? And in another report, it says that the man had chopped and shot his common law wife, killing her before turning the gun on himself, all right? Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that what I just told you is based on reports that is out there, and there might be more details and information about the incident that had happened, all right? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's an audio that is circulating on social media, and this audio is said to be of a phone conversation between the two persons who are the deceased, right? It is said that this audio is a phone conversation between the two deceased before the incident had happened, all right? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play this audio so that you can have a better understanding as to what might have happened or other things as well, all right? But before I play this audio for you, I have to warn you that some of the things that has been said in this audio might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, all right? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, all right? Observe.
Why are you being like this? Why are you being like this? Hmm?
I never go to the snake. I don't know what I feel like, you know. I have a feeling I'm a poor for clan. Yes, yo. Yes, it's a blood clan. Pussy clan, man.
You hit me. Hmm?
Not my life. What's in my life?
So what are you? What's in my life is what?
I don't know what I feel like, you know.
Hmm?
That kill me. That kill me. That is what the blood clot tell my language.
Hey.
I put everything in you.
So look at all that. So that's why when you see me speed up the car and do all of this something.
What you say?
Okay. When you see me.
What you say?
When you see me, why speed up the car?
Me not hear what you say.
You say when you see me, why speed up the car?
What you say?
What do you mean you not hear me?
Me not hear you.
They say, why when you see me a drive faster?
But I used to test it. But I used to never see me a buff. Jesus Christ. We never know how this has happened to me. We never know. We don't hear nothing. We don't hear nothing. I look at it to me. Nothing. Yeah, but my class, nothing. We don't deserve this. We don't deserve this for you. We don't deserve this for you. I don't deserve this. But one day to come to Portmore, we must get over it. We must get over it. I'll never go through the vaccine in my life. Never.
So why
I'm
you
a
not
love a woman. And take care of one. And that's just my member class enough. That's just not enough.
Why are you not home right now?
Where me I go? Where me a blood clot go?
What do you mean by?
You don't. Me hate you. Me hate you.